benchmarking you already know. Let me also quickly introduce what we call as heuristic ideation technique to all of you, so that you can also use that when you go into your breakout rooms. But that will come only after you have identified the competing systems, competing solutions, and benchmark them. Okay. So what we will do is, what is done in HIT is you pick two items of interest. You pick two items of interest and make separate lists of characteristics or components. And then you kind of make a matrix where you would say that, solution 1, solution 2, and you say components of solution 2, component of solution 2, component of solution 2, and over here you could say component of solution 1. And you could say if you could merge these two components and arrive at a better solution. Okay, so what we are saying is, can there be a product, can there be a system, can there be a way where we could enlarge our range of products or services so that we could have a better take up? So where do we pick up stuff from? Could be one thing. So Amir will just post just now. Amir is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Amir will just now post the Google Sheet linked to HIT, Heuristic Ideation Technique, and also a sheet linked to morphological forced connections. So I think MFC is what will help you much more if you have a clear benchmark available. If you do not have a clear benchmark or clear competitor in mind, then you should use HIT. Okay. So list the attributes of the situation or the product and think of as many alternatives as you can for each attribute. So for, again, we'll make a matrix. We say MPV1, MPV2, MPV3, and we list down how does, say, whichever competition does that MPV, does provide that MPV in a desirable manner. You list down some details of their solution over here. Okay, and then you can identify that, okay, for MPV1 component, competition 1 does this thing, competition 2 does this thing, and now I would want to do something else, or I would want to co-opt the feature or the functionality of 1 into my product or 2 into my product, and so on. Are you able to see this? Any questions before we enter into the breakout rooms?
Can you show the previous slide?
Just a minute. Should we go into breakout rooms then?
Sir?
Yeah, Devjit. Soumyadeep, yeah.
Yeah, so in the MFC sheet, I couldn't understand the third point.
In the slide?
No, in the sheet.
The sheet that Amir has shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the third point there?
So it says that after we have listed down alternatives for our attributes, we need to pick up a different one from each column, assembling the combinations into an entirely new form of your original subject. So I didn't understand what to do in this point, like what it's trying to say.
So what he's saying is that it could be that a product one solves the MPV or achieves MPV1 in a particular way, and it is not really up to the mark. how can you improvise it? So basically, you want to do technology transfer from them, but it is not up to the mark. How can you improvise it? That is how you can look at it over here. Does that help?
Okay, yes, sir.